In this series of videos, we're going to learn to write and read the open strings for violin. In this video, we will concentrate on semibreves or whole notes. First of all, draw the note for the G string about this distance below the stave. Then draw a line sitting directly on top of the note, and then add a line exactly halfway between that line and the stave. These lines, called ledger lines, should be exactly the same distance apart as the lines on the stave. To draw a whole note or semibreve for the D string, simply draw the note sitting directly under the bottom line of the stave. To draw a whole note or semibreve for the A string, count the first line, the second line, the third line, then the second space is between the second and the third line. To draw the whole note or semibreve for the E string, count the first line, the second line, the third line, the fourth line, the fifth line, the top line, and the top space is between the fourth and the fifth line. Okay, drawing our open strings for violin on the stave with a pen or a pencil. Let's practice that. So we draw a note head for our G string about 2 notes distance below the stave. Then we draw one ledger line across like this, very straight and touching the note. And then another line about halfway between that, and that should be the same distance between those lines as the lines here on the stave, and that's our open G string. Alright, the open D string semibreve or whole note is a bit easy. We simply draw our note head there, touching the line just under the bottom line. The A string we draw in that second space between the second and third lines. That's the A string. The E string is easy. We draw the E string in that top space. Make sure it doesn't, I'll do another one, make sure it doesn't go across the lines, but it's inside the lines. Okay, so that's not so good because it's sort of going across the lines. Hard to tell if it's on a line or a space. It needs to be exactly between the space. Semibreves, open strings. 1, 2, 3, 4.